welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first time I've really sort of done this sort of thing. I know hopefully I can get a few of you subscribing and liking. But I started paramotoring in January 2024 out in Spain at Fly Spain. Did my course, got my BHPA CP license, and then ever since I've been flying in Scotland, which is where I sort of stay now. So I do flights here and there. I do make bloopers as well, so just learning from mistakes. So eventually I'll put them up on YouTube as well. So I really hope you enjoy the videos that I'm gonna start uploading regular. I do work away on the rigs, so there's 28 days I won't be able to fly my paramotor. And then the other 28 days I'll be back at home to fly, so hopefully I can get some videos on the go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and enjoy all the videos, and if you've got any questions about paramotoring, please feel free to ask, and I can help you as much as I can. If I don't know the answer to a question, I'll find out for you and I'll let you know. Thank you. That's me just doing my safety checks now while Mark is trying his reverse launch for the first time. He had an unlucky one there, and that's me almost ready for takeoff here. And that's me ready. Rises over my wrist, just checking my wing, making sure I'm in the middle of the wing, taking a few deep breaths, and here we go. That's Montrose Air Station down to the left, 1913 to 1952, one of Britain's most historic and best preserved disused airfields. Just waiting for my mate Mark to get up in the air now, and then we can shoot off towards the Arbroath way. That's Mark up in the sky. Off we go. Just about to fly over a small section of the sea there. That's Montrose port there, right in front of us. They deal with oil and gas, renewables, decommissioning and stuff like that, and serve all the rescue boats out to the offshore oil rigs. That building down there to the left, Galaxo, we're not allowed to fly over that as it's highly security. St Cyrus Beach there to the right, absolutely cracking for some long walks and with the dogs if you've got dogs and stuff like that. And there's a cracking waterfall right at the very end. And the first bridge you see down there is the North Water Viaduct, and the second one behind it is the Lower North Water Bridge. At this stage I decided to go down for a landing as my hands were getting cold, even though I had heated gloves on. So yeah, decided to go down. I've had about an hour and 10 minutes up in the air anyway, so that's enough at this time of the year. That's the landing spot just down there. Little did I know what was going to happen next. I'm about to have an engine failure, and luckily for me, I managed to get down and land right by my car in the perfect position, so absolutely awesome.
Fuck.
Just had an engine out, mate, I'm heading to the field. I just had an engine out, I'm heading to land.
That's Mark just coming into land now, and Pedro, he's just landed down onto the left.
Well done, Mark.
Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. A big shout out to Angus Paramotoring Club in Scotland as well, with all the guys and the guys up north also. If you liked the video, guys, please like and subscribe. You know, and if you've got any comments, please let me know. And if you've got any questions about paramotoring, beginning courses, wherever you want to go, just let me know and I'll try and help you out as much as I can, guys. Thank you.